positively na...
Pero ang problema kasi sa network marketing, ang number one na nagbibigay minsan ng bahid is yung leader, company owner. So yun yung mga factors na minsan kaya nagkakaroon ng negative effect sa tao, yung mismong network marketing. Because of these irresponsible people.
I think the system itself, it's not a problem.
Walang problema sa network marketing eh. Ang nagiging problema ng network marketing, kaya hindi sila sometimes naging successful just because of the responsible people who are actually implementing the rules and regulations inside that company.
Tama. Yung tao mismo yung minsan yung tao may greed, tayo yung sistema na nga, yaman ka diba? Ginagawa pang kalokohan.
Yeah, hindi lang yun, overpromises, saka yung pag nakita kasi minsan na isang tao na madali pala ako yumaman sa network marketing, ang gagawin nila, yung term lalo na yung, I hate to say this, pero I mean, tama ba? Alam mo, very sad ako dati dahil ang sabi sa akin ng upline ko, sige, kamadahin na lang natin yan.
Yun. Familiar ako dyan.
So, nakita ko yung mga ganong practices, sabi ko, lalo na ang trend ngayon sa Ortigas and as well in other places in the Philippines, maniniwala lang sa iyo ang tao kapag kumita ka na sa
pag may resulta ka.
Pag may resulta ka. Which is also, sa tingin ko, in my own opinion, and sa sarili kong puro-puro, parang hindi tama yun eh.
Pero, yun ang kultura.
I mean, yeah,
yun ang establish nila kultura.
Pero kung bibigyan natin pansin yung tinatawag nating value,
okay.
Ano bang value ang binibigay mo sa mga distributor mo? Is it money? Is it fame? Or is it financial security? Although kailangan yung tatlong yun. We don't deny it that we need it. Kaya nga tayo pumasok sa network marketing because we're after financial security. Ako rin, meron akong nung nag-enter ako sa company X na MLM company, sabi agad sa akin ng upline ko, Chris, alam mo pag nag-invest ka sa amin ng 40,000, yung 40,000 mo, in 2 months, magiging 80,000.
Grabe.
So, if you are in my shoe, tapos sasabihin niyo yung upline mo, kasi yung upline mo kumikita na, no? Siyempre maniniwala ka.
Siyempre, di ba? Dito kasi, we are trained na, tayo na mindset tayo.
Na mindset
tayo na,
yun,
yes, upline.
To make the story short,
yes, upline.
Nag-invest talaga ako. Pero the sad thing is that nung nag-invest na ako, since ang faith ko nasa kanya dahil ang mindset ko, tutulungan niya ako. Kasi unang-una, wala pa akong skills nun eh. Wala pa akong experience. Walang nag-guide sa akin kung tama ba yung ginawa ko. Ang nasa isip ko lang, pinabayaan ako ng upline ko. To make the story short, bigla siyang nawala.
Buti hindi ka na burnout, bro. Kasi yung ibang tao, nag-quit ka agad eh.
Actually, nag-quit ako talaga. Dumating sa point na I hate people behind MLM. Ang sa isip ko nun, importante lang tayo sa mga network marketing if we have the funds to invest.
Ito nakakatawa dito eh. Pag may mga kaibigan ka, mga networker, pag may bagong company, tatawagan ka, ipapollow up ka, kakaibiganin ka ulit. Pero pag walang company, member ka na, or it's either
nakuha
lang gusto mo,
biglang mawawala.
Yeah, busy ako.
Yun na nangyari sa akin eh. Kaya nga ang naging tingin ko sa mga networker, most usually networker dito sa Pilipinas, we are only important to them if we have the funds to invest.
Tama. First impression kagad, mukhang pera.
Yeah. Ito pa ang system. Pag na-recruit ka din nila, nasa iyo naman ang product eh. Hindi ka naman namin niloko, may product ka namang hawak.
Tama.
So yun ang yung
pero first nila dyan, huwag ka madala, tutulungan kita, babatuhan kita.
So they are, ang sad to say, most networkers don't give value to their distribution.
Is there any value sa mga offer na ina-offer ng mga upline?
Meron. Ang sasabihin nila, may value naman yung product mo. Sa'yo naman yung product mo. Ang value sa kanila yung product na ibibigay sa distributor once they pay the membership.
Paano naman yung member na nag-pay in?
Nag-pay in o na...
Tinakasa na upline. Paano yun, di ba?
Di ba, So, eto kaya nga pinag-usapan natin na it is important to bring value Because ito yung foundation ng attraction marketing natin.
Attraction marketing. Okay, anong application sa online? Bakit online?
Ngayon, ang attraction marketing ng online are two different methodology.
Okay.
Okay? You can do attraction marketing with the offline methodology. Ang online is another methodology which uses the internet. Well, ang gagawin natin dyan is para maintindihan ng readers natin, siguro mas magandang we should direct them to our own blogs para magkaroon sila ng bigger picture.
Okay, attraction marketing, sa nakikita ko dyan it's just the way how you show your expertise to a certain person that you are showing them that you can solve your problem. Just like for example, you are a doctor. Di ba? Bakit sila maniniwala sa'yo? Kasi bakit? Doktor ka.
Ano? May lisensya.
Siyempre, ang problema nila, di ba ito lang naman ang ano natin dyan Ang problema nila is may sakit sila. Di ba? Sa kanila sila lapit.
Siyempre sa
doktor.
may expertise.
They have a problem with legalities, lawyer, or
kung gusto nila ng financial advisor, pupunta sila sa CPA.
Sa CPA. Okay. So in terms of attraction marketing, every professional are using that because they know they can solve their problems.
Well,
diba?
Yun nga, sabi ko nga, ang attraction marketing basically is that you're giving a valued solution. Specific example. Okay. Meron akong product dito. Gusto ko mag-member sa company ngayon. Ang traditional lang ginagawa ng mga networker is marata kagad sa kapag nag-complant at sa ano. Tapos, yung member na yun, magde-decide na siya na, ay, okay pala yung complant na yun. Pero at the back of his mind, meron siyang doubt.
Okay.
Ang doubt niya siguro probably is, pag na-member ba ako dito is, kikita ba ako?
Yun ang offer May nakaabang. May maraming down na nakaabang. Pumasok ka na.
Pumasok agad. So, pero, yun nga, what they are offering siguro, pwede natin sabihin, that is a wrong value.
I think that's one of the most misconception about doing the networking professionally.
Kaya nga value
Kasi when you're doing attraction marketing, there is professionalism. But actually, you don't have to recruit people down the road, down the street. Ambush style. Bigay ka flyers. Okay, halika. Punta dito sa ano. Same thing, when you do attraction marketing, you're literally attracting people back to you without...
Simple as this. Let's give a specific illustration. Di ba maniligaw ka?
Okay.
Paano ma-attract yung gusto mong ligawan?
Siyempre, magpapaganda ka, mag-makeup ka.
Mag-makeup ka.
Sa babae.
Sa babae, papaganda. Pero sa lalaki, gagawin mo, i-improve mo yung physique mo, di ba?
Sex attraction naman yan sa'yo, bro.
Hindi mo. Example lang yun. So, assuming na gusto mong ma-attract yung babae na yun. So, anong unang-unang mo? So, titingnan mo kung ano yung gusto niya. Study mo yung gusto niya.
Okay.
Number 2, ano yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto niya na gagawin ko?
Needs, wants.
Yung need, wants. So, it's also the same with attraction marketing. Yung kliyente mo, what you're going to do is to find out what he needs, what he wants, and solution to his incoming problems.
Okay. Before
making a purchase.
Okay. When it comes to compared to network marketing, does it mean you really have to have your own results before you can attract others?
Actually, hindi Sa akin lang may experience. Kasi ang naging practice na ng mga networker, maniniwala sila sa'yo pag may results ka.
Pag may result ka, may sasakyan ka,
correct. But in attraction marketing, it is the reverse concept.
Reverse concept.
Ibig sabihin ng reverse concept, instead of sisilawin mo sila dun sa eto kinita ko, eto yung naging result ko, although that is very enticing, but actually in my point of view, you're not bringing value.
At the end, you're just sila kumita.
You're just giving them false hope. False hope na dahil parang sinisilaw mo lang sila dun sa kinita mo na hindi naman talaga yung real value Ang real value siguro dun is the consistency. Yung consistency na tuloy-tuloy yung kita ko, may time freedom ako sa sarili ko, I can do all I want with my time.
Okay, in short, in building the business, value is very important.
Ang maganda siguro ganun, merong magme-mentor sa'yo na dinaanan niya na yung ganung experience.
Okay.
Paano niya na-overcome?
Experiensyado na.
Paano niya na-overcome? Na-overcome yung ganung situation.
Oh.
Mas maganda meron silang mentor na kung saan magtuturo ng correct thinking, correct education, na yung mentor niya dumaan din sa same process.
Same struggle, same process.
Same process. Hanggang sa naging successful siya.
Okay. Kasi siya nakakalam ng daan eh. I mean, he knows the bumps.
Oo.
Okay.
At saka ang maganda dun nga, ang mahalaga kung magbibring ka ng value is that if you have a mentor, if you have a coach, magkakaroon ka agad ng direct results. May iwasan mo na yung napagdaanan mo na.
Okay. I think it's not just offline mentoring, as well as online marketing. As we know, technology is very powerful.
Oh.
You know Facebook?
Oo nga. Pero yun nga, sabi nga, we must use technology in a very conscious way or very correct way.
Tama yun sa comment kanina ni Dangal sa video natin. Offline and online
are effective.
Pero kung wala kang idea,
it's very hard.
It's very hard.
You don't have that experience.
Therefore, you really have to look for people who is experienced on that field.
Experience. Saka merong innovation. So, if you want to bring value to your client, first of all, ako in my personal experience, nag-invest ako talaga sa self-development to bring value to other people.
Okay. Eto, guys, I know this industry is very hard. I know this industry, you will pass through the hurdles, lahat ng mga mahirap na diskarte yung pagdadaanan mo talaga. But with the use of, with the help of the mentor,
and attraction marketing.
And also attraction marketing,
it can lessen
strategy, it can lessen the rejection,
the struggle,
the failure. Okay, that can help much more, Okay, so guys, continue reading books and search more about new strategies. You will see how attraction marketing is really on the rock. We really have to end this up kasi yung time mo. Okay guys, thank you very much for listening. I know this will bring a lot of value to you. Please comment, and if you like our video, you can share it to your friends. Pero kung hindi, okay lang. So guys, thank you very much. I look forward to your comments and
interaction.
Interaction.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. God bless.